Okay, so how this is gonna work is my daughter Jakaya is right behind the camera, and she has these small cards, small index cards, and I have cut them to say smoky eye, dark, whatever, different things. So the first thing up is how I am going to do my hair today, okay? So we have two. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm not gonna be looking, y'all, because I'm not a cheater. Like, I ain't gonna be looking. And we are gonna be picking them at random, okay? You ready? Make sure you shuffle them, girl. Shuffle them around. So there's gonna be 2 cards per item, okay? I don't like this. Curly, oh my gosh. I wanted to do straight, but whatever. Okay, so we are going to the next 2, y'all. I'm gonna close my eyes again. Where you at, sister? Ooh, I don't know if I should go there. Nars Soft Matte. Wow, Soft Matte, but I was like, I'm for the pick Radiant. That is just heartbreaking right there, y'all. Nothing that I pick is working for me. Nothing that I wanted to do, y'all, is working out. This is like, oh my goodness. Okay, go. I'm ready. It's one more after this, y'all. Oh my God, this is the one right here. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? All right, y'all, this is the last one. I hope I at least get this one. Like, come on now, please. Where you at, girl? Oh my God, I got everything I didn't want. This is just crazy, y'all. I cannot believe this. Okay, I'm not a cheater. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. All right, y'all, so these are the items that I picked today. And I picked curly hair. So I'm gonna be wearing a curly hairstyle. And then I picked a dark or smoky, like a dark smoky look. And I chose the Nars Soft Matte, just tears. And then I chose a nude lip. Like, what in the world is this gonna be looking like, y'all? I did not want no damn nude look. I wanted the dark lip with the dark look, or the nude lip with the nude look. Like, y'all, we finna make it work. We finna see. If this nude lip is not giving, y'all, I'm going to the dark. I'm telling you right now, because I done already bought a Juvia's lip that I wanted to use in this video. It's brand spanking new. So if this nude is not looking cute, I'm taking it off. And you know what? I might just have to get pied in the face, because it is what it is, sis. All right, let's get started, y'all. I'm ready. Okay, y'all, so we are about to get started. First things first, I am using a new primer. This is the Dermal Blend primer. And I did try it the other day. And it feels, in comparison with the milk, this feels a lot heavier than the milk. It's an Instant Grip Jelly Primer. And like I said, I'm assuming that it's supposed to feel kind of like the milk primer, because when I put the milk primer on, it does feel like a little jelly substance, but it's very light. This one is a very thicker consistency on my face. Like, I can actually feel this on my face. But I did like the way that this felt, or that it held the makeup. So this is what I'm going to be using for today's look. And y'all, I got on my scarf because I'm letting my hair dry. I put it in a mold, so I haven't done anything to it yet, but it's just drying at this point in time. So I'm going to be doing something different with my makeup today. I'm going to be putting my concealer on first underneath my eyes, so you guys will see that. And I'm using the Tarte, and this is in the color, or the shade, Tan Sand 425. That's what I'm using today. And I remember I had the mini one of this, and I remember you have to kind of work a little quick with this. I'm not using a lot of this going in initially, because I am still going to go in with my foundation and then more concealer. But I just want to try this out first to see how this is. Like, is there a difference with me doing it like this? And I'm blending that in with my beauty blender. Like I said, with makeup, is like a finesse type thing. Like, you got to do what is gonna work for you, because everything is not gonna work for everybody. And I've tried a lot of things that people have recommended to me, and it didn't work for me. And that's just the way it is. Like, everybody is not identical. Nobody has the same type of skin. Like, everybody got different skin. So you have to really just do what's best for you. Might be similar, but everybody got different problems. So first things first, y'all, I'm gonna work on my brows right now. And then since I have everything blended out, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on that. And y'all, I did try to arch my brows yesterday. I don't know what I was doing. Don't judge me. This is a judge-free zone, okay? Because I really don't know what happened. I started off doing so good, and then it was like, oh no, 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 no. Like it was downhill from there. I just don't know what happened. But that's okay. That's why I got makeup. And that makeup is gonna make it all right, okay? And y'all, I have my moods because sometimes I be wanna do bigger brows, and then sometimes I wanna do like thinner brows. So it's just like based off of my mood is how I do my brows. So as promised, I chose Soft Matte, and y'all know this is the Soft Matte Moorea Medium Deep 2.3. So that's what I'm going in right now. And I'm gonna put that all over my face. That is so crazy that I chose this one because I was going for a I was going for a dolled up look. So I kind of wanted to put on the Nars Radiant foundation, but this'll do. I wish that I chose this with the soft look because it made more sense because it was a soft look. But me putting on this foundation has reminded me how much I love this foundation, y'all. Like, oh, it is melting in my skin. Like, this is my shade, period. Like, any other shade is not my shade. This is my shade. The way that this blends into my skin is just amazing. Like, it's just marvelous. It's giving skin. It's giving makeup wear, girl. Like, wear. What makeup? So I went in with my foundation. I'm gonna go in now with the same concealer and conceal underneath my eyes a little more. And I do think I'm gonna do contour today, ladies. And I'm gonna go in with my Nars. Nars for the win, honey. Nars. Call your girl. And I have a regular Eco Tools. This was actually a set for contouring. So this is what I usually use when I contour. Or when I contour, because I'm not trying no more. I'm contouring, okay? I'm not trying no more, y'all. I'm contouring. And y'all already know I really have like high cheekbones, so it's like y'all already know what it is. And don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just dabbing it on. I'm just trying to see, girl. I'm just seeing. I ain't really doing nothing. And I want to get as close. That's the thing that I really don't do a lot, is I don't get right underneath my eye because I'm so terrified. I told y'all that already. But I'm trying to get used to like getting right underneath my eye. Like, I literally see girls on the videos and they're like on their waterline. I'm like, ooh, how did you do that, girl? Because I'm scared. So I really am gonna like try to do that more to where I'm getting right underneath my eye. And I feel like I'm getting better with it. I just don't want to poke myself. Like, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush, and this is the M405 brush. It's kind of got that angle tip, and I'm just gonna use this just to blend out. Oh my gosh, see, that's what I don't like about Morphe brushes. Like, y'all need to come out, because as soon as I wash this, in Morphe, we have to wash our brushes. Like, why is your brush falling apart? This is my second time using this brush. So I used it, I washed it, and I'm using it right now. And I don't like brushes that shed. Like, I cannot deal with it. Cause like, why is this doing this? Like, for the price, why is this doing this? These brushes is like $14. I see, and that's why I'm about to just no. I'm gonna stick with my known brushes from Amazon that I use because these are not giving. They're giving me a headache. That's what they're doing. Because, oh my, I can't. Nope. All right, so I need another brush. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I had to go get the other brush that I had purchased from TJ Maxx. I told y'all about this brush already. This is the one with the wire feel to it. So I'm just gonna go in with that and brush off or blend in this contour around my cheeks. And you see that? Didn't shed once, okay? That's what we wanna see. No shedding. I'm gonna be using I did purchase a new Nars Mercier. I purchased the translucent powder because I told you guys before that the other one was just feeling like overpowering because of the glitter. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get the translucent one and I'll use that one and then I'll put the glitter as needed on top of this one. So I'm going in with that one right now. And I am like dabbing it in my skin, so we're gonna wait for this to dry. But while we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my brows. Going back in with my Tarte. So because I'm forced, to do a dark look, I think it was like a dark smoky look, I'm gonna go in with the Jackie and the Kylie palette today. Y'all, this changes my whole outfit. Like, I cannot believe this. Like, y'all don't even know. This changes my whole outfit. I was about to be so cute with this white shirt on. I might still wear the white shirt because it was cute. It's a cute white shirt and the thumbs are out. Like, whatever. I'm just gonna figure out how to incorporate it. But I'm gonna go in with this Obsidian in the Kylie palette. It's gonna be this dark color right here. And I'm gonna use that at like the outer part of my lashes or the outer part of my eyelid. And that's giving more of like a dark color. I don't know if it's black, but it kind of looks a little black. See, good thing I didn't put on my white shirt because I would have been, that shirt would have been messed up. And I'm only putting this on the outer part before I start blending it in. And I'm not taking this like all the way over, so it's just gonna remain right here in this one spot because I'm going in with some other colors. I just didn't want brown to be the base color. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna be using that Proud color, which is this brownish color right here. And I'm gonna just pack it on my lid so I can kind of get that dark smoky I want. Now with this, I'm gonna go like a little into that darker color that I put on. Like I said, I just want the darker color to be like right here. And like right in the corner, I'm gonna go in with a little pop of color. Just like a little bit of the white that's in this palette. It's called VIP. And I'm just gonna put that like right here, like. Just to give it like a kind of a little pop of color or a little splash of lightness right there in this dark storm, but not much. Like, it's not like overpowering or anything like that. It's just like to, you know, just to give a little razzle dazzle. I'm gonna go in with Tiger Eye from the Kylie palette, and I'm gonna use that just like around this area right here to kind of, you know, put this look together. Don't worry, I'm just patting it on. I'm gonna blend it in a second. I want to make sure it transitions to my brows nicely and not like look too harsh or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm going to blend everything out. Okay, so I am using the nude #1 in KKW. And this is what I'm going to be using on my lips. It's brand spanking new, baby. I ain't even used it yet. So I'm gonna go in and put on a regular brown lip liner. Okay, so my lips are lined, and this was just a regular dark brown liner from the beauty supply store. So now I'm gonna go in with that KKW. It looks so creamy, y'all. Oh, baby, because this is a look. This nude is giving. I was really afraid of the dark look, but now I'm loving it. Okay guys, so that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really love how this look came together. The hair, everything, the shirt. It's just giving me Barbie vibes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.